Before you begin, remove the access panel, the front bezel, and the drives cage. Removal. Detach the Phillips No. 1 screw, securing the solid-state drive in place. The drive will pop up. Carefully pull the solid-state drive out of the system board socket. Replacement. The solid-state drive has a notch on its edge that aligns over a key in its system board socket. To replace the solid-state drive, angle the drive into its system board socket at a 30-degree angle, engaging the notch over its socket key, and press the drive down. Hold it down while replacing the Phillips No. 1 screw to secure the drive in the unit.